the Kobe Bryant body armor right here. Mamba Forever. You see it. You see it right here. 8 and 24. This one is for Kobe. Bring him home, Kobe. Please. Please. Pow. 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 Ladies and gentlemen, 2K has finally released some new packs. We have some Swish packs here. You can pack Kobe, Giannis, KG, Dwayne Wade, Steph Curry, Pau Gasol. But they released this Invincible Pau, who is probably going to go for a couple million. I don't know what he's going for right now, but we are looking to pull either Pau, Giannis, Kobe, or LeBron, because they go for the most. We're going to be spending like 200k MT. You see in the top right, 381k MT. So let's just get right into the pack opening. First pack. Here we go. Bring him home, LeBron James. All right, Amethyst. That's not good. Here he comes, Pau Gasol. Oh, that could. Okay, it's not a dark matter, but it is an opal, or it's a pink diamond. I don't know. It's an opal. Okay, I'll take that. I'll take that, honestly. I'll take an opal. Who is it gonna be? Small forward from the Spurs. Who is it? Okay, opals aren't going for that much, but the Swish ones probably are. So we're gonna sell that right away. We're gonna see what he's going for. Okay, that's kind of an L, honestly. He's going for like 10k, so we didn't even make our money back, really. Third pack, here we go. Pau or LeBron. I'll take LeBron. I'll take LeBron. Another. Wait, is this another Galaxy Opal? I mean, it's not that good, but it's not terrible. We're actually getting shakes at least. Another Opal. We'll take it. We will take it, honestly. We're making our MT back. It's the same guy, I think, so. It's not. It's Lakers. It's Lakers. Who is it? It's LeBron. Oh, it's only dynamic rating. Okay, but that's a sign. That's the sign right there. We got a Lakers jersey and we got LeBron. Oh my gosh. Does that mean LeBron's coming to our team? I don't know. What is this? Our fifth pack? Fifth pack right here. Fifth. Okay. Pau, you are coming home today. Come on, Pau. Sixth pack. Oh. It's not a dark matter, but it is shake. I'll take it. Pink diamond. Okay, not terrible, not terrible. I think it's. Oh, it's not Kawhi. Okay, who is it? Point guard from the Nuggets. Oh, it's this guy. I mean, we got a shake, so I'll take it. I'll take it. Start the bass drop. Pau is coming home. Sterling Brown, 68 overall. Oh my gosh. Pau, come home, brother. Come home. One dark matter, please. We don't want you, Jeff Green. Okay, we don't want you. Pau, come home. Come home, please. It's another Galaxy Opal, probably. It's a pink diamond. I have an idea. Okay, we got Kobe right here. We have a Kobe card. He won his championship with Kobe. Here we go. Kobe, bring Pau home. Bring him home, please. Please. Alright, put the bass drop in right now. Kobe is bringing him home right now. Start the bass drop. Pau, please! Casey Okpala, we traded him. Are you kidding me? No one wants him right now. Come on, man. Okay, we got this Kobe card. Bring Pau home. Bring him home, please. 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 We're going for a no-look pack right here. I hear something. What is that? We have a shake. What is it? Is it opal? Well, Pau Gasol. Come on. Okay, Pau, come home, please. Pau. This man, we pulled him like 3 times. We don't want you. Yakubu Diawara.
Huh?
Please stop showing up. That's what we're doing. We got the Kobe Bryant body armor right here. Mamba Forever. You see it right here. 8 and 24. This one is for Kobe. Bring him home, Kobe. Please. Pow. Please. One dark matter. Just one. Please, Pau. Please come home. Pow. 3 packs left. Please. It's a dark. It's only a pink diamond.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
Pack. We are packing. Pau Gasol. Please. Okay, I'm gonna restock my MT right now. And next time you see me, I'm gonna have like 200k MT, and we're gonna keep ripping these packs for this Pau. 2K made me do this. I got some VC in the top right. $50. We spent $50. Please bless us. 2K. That's all I ask. Alright, we're gonna open up 2 Unfazed boxes. Let's go. Please, 2K, please. I just want a dark matter. That's all I want. It's not looking good. 2K, please. We want a dark matter. Another? If it's... Okay. Who is this? I mean, if it's Asia, I'll take it because he actually sells for a lot of things. Hornets, who's this? Who is this? Eddie Jones? I mean, not terrible, but... We want the dark matter, 2K! Please! We're not pulling the dark matter, I guess. 2K, really? Did I just spend $50 on that? Are you serious? We're going back to the Swish packs. Please. Okay. We want a dark matter. Please. Okay, please. I just want a dark matter, man. I spent so much money. We're not even gonna get a shake, really? This Yokozuna dude keeps coming back! Oh my god, what is this? Opal! Oh my gosh! Oh, we just want a dark matter, please! 2K! I want a dark matter, man, Luka! Yokozuna, stop! Please! Oh my gosh, man! Alright, 2K, please, give us Iguodala. We want Iguodala here, please! An opal. You have to be... Are you kidding me? An opal! Nobody wants him! 2K! Oh, shiny. Oh, we're pulling one more Unfazed. We're going one more Unfazed pack. Oh Oh my gosh, dude. How many pink diamonds are we gonna pull without getting an opal, man?
No, God!
Oh my gosh, nobody wants
God,
Hammer.
please, no! No!
Nobody wants Hammer.
No!
Alright, last pack. $50. Got me. Nothing. $50 got me nothing in 2K. Alright, we're ending the pack opening there. I can't keep spending my money. If you guys want to see another pack of me, I gotta get at least 50 likes. 50 likes and I'll do another pack opening. But if I don't get 50 likes, I'm probably not gonna do another pack opening. But until next time, peace out.